Welcome to a game-changing episode of Network Your Way to Success. I'm your host, Dr. Nadeem Syed, and today we're embarking on a thrilling journey into the world of networking strategies. In the next few minutes, we'll be delving into the exciting realm of strategic networking, where connections are not just about exchanging business cards, but building meaningful relationships that can supercharge your career and personal growth. Imagine having a network of mentors, collaborators, and friends who have your back and share your dreams. This is not just a pipe dream, it's a reality that strategic networking can help you achieve. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or someone just starting out, the insights we'll be sharing today can open doors you never knew existed. Stay tuned as we explore why strategic networking is a game changer. Networking is not just about shaking hands, it's about building relationships that can supercharge your career and personal growth. The power of strategic networking lies in its ability to connect us with a rich tapestry of individuals, each with their unique talents, insights, and experiences. Imagine a web of connections spread across various industries, professions, and geographies. These connections aren't just names in an address book or followers on social media. They are mentors who guide us, collaborators who work with us, friends who support us, and even future employers or business partners. The beauty of strategic networking is that it doesn't discriminate. Whether you're a fresh graduate making your first steps in the professional world, a seasoned executive looking to broaden your horizons, or a creative soul-seeking like-minded spirits, strategic networking has the potential to elevate your journey. Now, let's delve a little deeper. The strategic in strategic networking is crucial. It's not about aimlessly attending events or mindlessly adding people on LinkedIn. It's about understanding your goals, identifying the right people who can help you reach them, and building genuine, mutually beneficial relationships with them. With strategic networking, you're essentially planting seeds. You're investing time and effort in relationships that may not bear fruit immediately, but could yield incredible results in the long run. It's about playing the long game and trusting in the power of human connection. Moreover, strategic networking can also be a source of continual learning and growth. Every interaction can offer new perspectives, fresh ideas, or valuable feedback. It's a two-way street where you also give back to your network by sharing your own knowledge, skills, and experiences. In essence, strategic networking isn't just a means to an end. It's a journey of discovery, growth, and human connection. It's about opening yourself up to the world and embracing the myriad opportunities it has to offer. So remember, strategic networking can open doors you never knew existed. It's a powerful tool that can supercharge your personal and professional growth. Harness its potential, and who knows where it could take you. Let's unlock the secrets. It's about quality over quantity, the art of giving, and making memorable first impressions. Now, when it comes to networking, remember it's not a numbers game. It's not about collecting as many business cards as you can. Instead, think of it as building a garden. You want to plant, nurture, and grow those relationships. Focus on having a handful of meaningful connections rather than a stack of business cards from people you barely know. Next, let's talk about the art of giving. In networking, it's essential to approach every interaction with a mindset of generosity. Offer your insights, share your knowledge, and lend a helping hand whenever you can. And here's the key: do it without expecting anything in return. This approach not only builds trust, but also strengthens your relationships over time. Remember, a successful network is a support system, and every support system is built on the foundation of giving. Finally, let's discuss the importance of making memorable first impressions. Your initial interaction can set the tone for the entire relationship. So, be authentic, be present, and show genuine interest in the person you're interacting with. Remember, people may forget what you said or did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. In essence, effective networking is about building meaningful relationships. It's about approaching every interaction with a spirit of generosity. It's about being authentic and making memorable first impressions. So the next time you find yourself at a networking event, remember these strategies. Make each interaction count. Build relationships that are not just beneficial, but also fulfilling. Remember, networking is about building genuine relationships, offering help without expecting immediate returns, and making a memorable impression. So, put on that winning smile, extend your hand, and step into the world of networking with confidence and grace. After all, your network is your net worth. Effective networking requires great communication skills. Learn to listen actively, ask engaging questions, and share your story authentically. Firstly, we delve into the art of active listening. This is more than just hearing the words spoken by the person in front of you. It's about truly understanding their thoughts, perspectives, and feelings. Show empathy, give them your undivided attention, and respond in a way that shows you fully grasped their message. This not only builds trust, but also fosters a deeper connection. Secondly, let's talk about asking engaging questions. Going beyond the typical "what do you do" can make you stand out and show genuine interest in the other person. Try asking about their passions, challenges, or even their biggest learning experiences. These thoughtful inquiries can lead to a more meaningful conversation and a stronger bond. Now let's move on to sharing your story. Your experiences, dreams, and passions make you unique. Sharing these authentically can create a magnetic attraction. Be genuine, be you. This authenticity can lead to stronger connections, as people are naturally drawn to those who are true to themselves. Remember, effective communication is a two-way street. It's about understanding and being understood. It's about connecting on a deeper level. And most importantly, it's about building relationships that can open doors and create opportunities you never imagined. So, whether you're at a networking event, a social gathering, or even a casual meetup, keep these tips in mind. Listen actively, ask engaging questions, and share your story authentically. These are not just skills for networking, but for every aspect of your life. Practice them, master them, and watch as they transform not only your networking efforts, but your relationships as a whole. Master these skills and you'll excel in your networking efforts. As you embark on your networking journey, challenges may arise, but fear not, we're here. It's common to feel overwhelmed at networking events, but remember, everyone is there for the same reason: to make connections. If you feel out of place, take a deep breath and approach someone who seems approachable. Introduce yourself, ask them about their work, and the conversation will flow from there. Another challenge you might face is the fear of rejection. It's natural to feel this way, but remember, networking is a two-way street. Not everyone you meet will be a perfect fit for your network, and that's okay. Keep your chin up and move on to the next person. Lastly, it's crucial to follow up after networking events. A simple message saying it was nice to meet them can go a long way in building a relationship. Remember, the key is to seek out events that align with your goals and interests. In conclusion, networking is the key to unlocking a world of opportunities. Throughout this episode, we've shed light on the power of strategic networking. It's not just about collecting business cards. It's about building meaningful relationships that can catapult your career and personal growth to new heights. We've unveiled effective networking strategies that focus on quality over quantity, the art of giving, and the importance of making memorable first impressions. Remember, it's about being authentic, attentive, and genuinely interested in others. We've also dived into mastering the art of conversation, from active listening to asking engaging questions and sharing your story authentically. And let's not forget, overcoming networking challenges is part of the journey, so don't be disheartened. Now it's your turn. Implement these strategies and start building your network of mentors, collaborators, and friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep unlocking your full potential.